Movie update: Touching Hearts is showing on Uche Eze TV. Pamela Okoye and Victory Michael. So a rich doctor who is helping people basically. Yeah. And because of his affection for the poor or deprived, uh, one of the nurses is also in love with him. So do to check it out. Touching Hearts showing on Uche Eze TV. I'll see you all in the next movie update and reviews.